Let's do a world crossing time travel. Let's try Serbia. Uh-oh. 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 I just found a new crossings that I can time travel. Not much, but I might find another new one. But this will do. So this one over here is on. This is 2025, which is May. If I go to 2024, just changed a bit. I think when it was on, maybe it just changed something. What other changes? Oh, it just changes this. What else is there? Yeah, I guess it's just one of these. Hold on, let me find a new crossing. And see if I can time travel this one. I think this one, you can time travel into older times. So I think I found this one. The only best crossings. And it also has 4 barriers too. Wait, do they have 4 barriers? Let me check the outside. Oh, it's only got 3. Last time they actually had 4. Anyways, time traveling. Yeah, I will time travel each of these little crossings and see what is the difference. So here is this side and here was the other side. If I go to 2014, that had some changes. So no, that was the only one left. Yeah, this is actually definitely much more better. If I go back, this was the crossing that was here. Anyways, that's it.